Hi, Chris. How you doing, buddy? Making airplanes? Just like I taught you. Over here close, buddy. I want to show you. This is how I make my special planes. Like the one I made before. Just
that was funny what you did.
Okay, you fold it over like that, and then you take this end, and go right there, and this end goes right like this. Remember this part? What do I do with that? Bend it up, put it like that. Okay, and then we fold it all like this. And, oops, got a little bit crooked. And then I'll put this up like this. And then this goes over like this. And then a lot of times I'll take this end off. And then I'll bend the ends up.
Couldn't see it.
Like that. Turn around. This here is my buddy Chris. You want to say hello and say your name?
I didn't know.
What's your name? I know that. But you have to say. Well, you have to come up over here. Elaina. And this is Elaina. And she's got a brother, and his name is Edward. And we all have a good time here at Pooh Corner on Fridays, don't we?
Yeah. We get to play with the juggling balls.
Yeah. I should bring those out, huh? Well, you want to give that airplane a toss? Give it a toss off the top. Wait for her. She'll videotape. Here you go. Is it still going? Kind of went down, didn't it?